Hey everyone, forgot who this is. It's Saumadeep. Welcome back to my channel. I'm finally back after 10 months of not filming and not doing anything. Um, a lot of things have changed. I'm finally done with my 10th boards. Um, I'm on my vacation right now and it feels so good to be back. I almost forgot how to speak because I haven't been in front of the camera for 10 months. The last time I filmed was a video in Dubai in the washroom of my hotel room. So it's wow. I have almost become unrecognizable now. Guess who has changed their hairstyle from this to this? Um, yeah, a lot of things have changed. But yeah, it's really good to be back. And my comeback is not that great, of course. Today I'm just gonna show you guys a little simple basic smoky eye tutorial. Just the basics. I'm gonna show you guys how to build it up and how to just create the good look. And yeah. So without any further ado, let's begin with my good old intro. And it's kinda cringe. I think I have to change it now. Seriously, I mean, new Somadeep, new intro. Make some intros for me and send them to me. I'll see if I like them. Beginning with the eyeshadow, you guys. Of course, I have already primed my eyelids. Now, you guys know the drill. We're gonna go in with some concealer. The beauty industry has changed so much as well. Like, we don't have the traditional concealer method anymore. There are so many new methods. um I don't try all of them because I'm old school. What you want to do is you want to take a softer brush and you want to go in with a light nude shade. I'm going in with a shade called Hina from my rose gold palette, and now we're just gonna place it in the crease. See how I'm building it up with circular motions? That's what you want to do, and you take it from here all the way to over here in circular motions. Now put the same shade over here and just kind of take it out. Now once you're done with this, you want to go in with a darker shade like this, called Cocoa, also from my rose gold palette, and place it right under the neutral shade. Blending really is the key over here. You just gotta keep on blending and blending and blending until it all comes together. I'm gonna go in with a darker brown shade. I'm going in with these from my nude palette, and we're just gonna go in the very lid. Once you're done and well with that, you want to take a black shade. I'm taking black truffle from my rose gold palette, and you just go in on your lid just like that, but keep on blending. You want to keep on blending it and blending it until it looks something like this. Now once you're done with that, you want to go in with a black liner and place it right in the waterline. Look how instantly that makes it fierce, like just pulls everything together. I'm gonna go in with a thin brush with a black shade again and place it right in the, I forgot what this part is called. Is it the lower lash line? That's what we call it. Now you want to keep that line thin because now we're gonna go with a dark brown shade and just put it on top of that and smudge it. And that's it. That's literally it. Now you just want to clean off the excess from the sides put some concealer on. Now we'll just do the mascara real quick. Just add some shimmery eyeshadow to your inner corners. That would just make it look good. Some on the brow bone. Now I'll just quickly finish off the rest of my makeup and I'll be back. And here's the look complete. I did my blush, contouring, just a little bit of matte nude lipstick. It's a good one. It's from Revlon. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll just do the falsies now. Here I'm done with the lashes. So when you have such bold eyes and your like eyes are speaking so much, they have so much character, you want to keep rest of the makeup simple and dewy. I didn't make it super matte and heavy. If you can pull off a smoky eye, it can look really good. And that's pretty much it. Just follow the steps that I have shown you and you can achieve something like this. It can look really pretty. For good occasions, I have my black full sleeve top today with me. Just goes with the look. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting me throughout the whole time that I wasn't there. It really means a lot, and it feels so good to be back, honestly. I'm filming after so long. So thank you for everything, and I cannot wait to make my next video. I have already asked you guys to ask me questions on Instagram. Do that so I can make a Q&A video next. And yeah, so till then, bye.